start with this next sentence, I am learning to speak Gaelic. And then we'll say, will you help me? First of all, me, I. And the verb is part of this. I am learning. And the verb for learn is fáilim. So, táimse, I. And I'm putting the extra little emphasis on here with saying me, myself, I am learning. Táimse, ag, fáilim. Foghlaim. So egg fáilim, the ing is the egg. Ing, fáilim, learn. I am learning to speak. So you have to do the Irish first. Gaelga, that's a G. Gaelga. Tom if fáilim Gaelga. I'm learning Irish. Will you help me? And again, we're going to, it's future tense, so we have to use the word on. On kauri tulam. Or on, will you give me help? On duratu, again, we have to go into the grammar of eclipsing the first consonant to tell us we're in the future tense. On duratu, the T becomes a D. On dura, the BH becomes silent, and it's future tense, and future tense always puts an F-A-I-D-H if you have to use an A, or F-I-D-H if you don't have to use an A, if it's slender. So, on durig tells me you're in the future tense, and now I need to know who. So, it says you. So, it's second person singular. On duri two, and then help is the word cair, C-A-B-H-A-I-R, and the B-H becomes silent because the B has a shevu on it. Cair. It's almost like a W in the middle, but it's not. On duri two cair, to me, len me would be lum. On durig two cair lum. Future tense, so will you give help to me? The M is the me part. How do you say something in Irish? The word how, conas, and the word say, this is a participle, so we're going to have to put a word in for that. Conas therefore, something, asquelin. In Irish, or actually out of Irish, asquelin. Conas et therefore. The fa is you. Therefore. How would you say? There is the say part. As whatever that is in Irish. The next sentence, what does blank mean? What does this something mean? And the answer, of course, is, or to translate that first, conas, cad, is bri le. So now we've changed the meaning. The meaning is here. The meaning is here. Bri with this. The verb to be is. What is meaning with this? I don't understand. Negative, ni. So the M tells you it's me. Tig is understand, and ni is negative. I don't. So do you dig? That's where it comes from. And if I was going to do it in present tense, it would be on digging to. That's where the word dig comes. You dig this? It's on all the streets. Ni higam, I don't understand. And where did the D come in? Again, when you're in the questioning part of it, you have to put a D before the T, and that's where the D comes in. You dig this, on dig into it, the T gets eclipsed, and you end up with a D. And the U has nothing to do with the sound; it's telling you to make the D broad. On dig into, do you dig this? Ni higam, I don't understand. How is this word spelt. You want to spell a word. Cynnes, Litrífar, Litr, Ifada, Fear. And that's, there's nobody spelling it, it's just in general who spell what, how would anybody spell it? Cynnes Litrífar, Seo, this thing. How do you spell it? Seo means this, that's thing, this thing. Spelt in general, and this is the question, how? Please speak slower. Okay, speak, louder, Labhair. And then slower, Níos Muile. The word slow is maul, and then you can say Níos Muile is more slow, and the slowest is Muile. There's 3 variations on that. Slow, slower, slowest. And so we want the one here, slower, Níos Muile. Maul, Níos Muile, and then when you're really slow, is Muile. Le, the, hull. And again, tull is permission, and le is with your permission. Speak is louder, le the hull, please, and slower is Níos Muile. If I just said slow, it would be maul. If I said slower, Níos Muile, slowest, speak slowest, is Muile. That's the superlative. So 2 things about Ireland if you're driving. You're going to be on the other side of the road for a start. And if you don't park it where it's supposed to be parked, in the time you're supposed to be parked, you'll get somebody to put a disc on your wheel. Right? They'll clamp your wheel. But if they want you to pay for parking, in some cities they give you discs. These are pieces of paper that you have to put the time and the date and the hour you start and the hour you finish in there, and then you buy a book of discs, and you can put as many discs as you want out there, but every time you spend a disc, you're spending money. And when the parking attendant comes and looks at your disc and he looks at his clock, he's either going to give you a clamp or he's going to give you a ticket or something, or else you're okay. So you want to buy a disc, because it's hard to get these parking discs. Do you sell parking discs? And that's written like this. Again, we have to eclipse the D with an N. On Nealon 2, do you sell? On Nealon 2. Question. Discana. The plural of disc is discana. And then park altar. Park altar. Discs for parking. Sometimes it's not obvious where the bathrooms are in either shops or hotels or wherever. So do you have a bathroom is a question that you might have to ask. And questions always begin with unwell, Bhfuil. It's hard to write with this. Unwell, Leithreas, Leithreas, Agrev. Plural, BH. Unwell Leithreas Agrev, do you have a bathroom?